Let me show you how to change a function for this knob on your Aula F75 keyboard. So by default, when you actually rotate this knob here, so you see you can actually increase or decrease the brightness of the RGB light on your keyboard. But we can also change it to adjust the volume on your device. If you want to do that, you simply click this button inside for a few seconds, and over here you'll see it starts to blink like this, like blue. That means it's in the volume adjustment mode. So for example, I see I'm currently connected to my phone. If I now rotate this, I see my volume essentially changes, and this works with any like PC, laptop, so any device that you connect to it. So you see we can change the volume. If you want to change it back to adjust light intensity, you again simply press and hold it once more and check this. So it will blink green. That means it's in the light adjustment mode here. Okay, good luck.